But that's my plan.
We're on our way. It's actually terribly wet, but it's not coming down on the pilgrims on the road too badly. That was a great stay. My friend Francois from France found a dryer and we were able to dry our clothes. Those clothes came out hot and dry. It was wonderful. As for Akiko from Japan, she is having coffee down there in the albergue with the rest of the, 30 odd pilgrims. And I told her I was headed out. She's in good company right now. We have to help our Akiko, right? And Akiko is in good hands. And I told her I'd see her on the trail, which I will. Listen to the rain hit my poncho. I just did this whole diatribe and I forgot to hit record. If the situation doesn't improve, I'm gonna call a cab at the food truck, but I've gone 4 kilometers and absolutely soaked from elbow to hand and from belt line to big toe, absolutely soaked. It's just not getting any better. I got to 7 kilometers into an 18-kilometer walk, and I just figured if I go back 7, it's easier than going forward 11 more kilometers uphill, very uphill and very downhill in this weather that will not let up. Okay, I barely hold my phone up and barely touch the button because my hands are so cold. I made it about a third of the way to my destination, and I couldn't do it. I was too cold and too wet, and the conditions are not improving. So for me, the best thing to do is go back shorter way to the albergue, just 7 kilometers, mostly downhill, thank goodness. I'm totally okay, but I'm going back to Orisson. I'm gonna get a cab. Well, we're back in Orisson. I'm still raining. Waiting on my taxi because I'm gonna go back to Saint Jean Pied de Port and buy me a proper raincoat and soaked. Everything I'm wearing is soaked, so waiting for my taxi. Oh my God. I never thought, remember that girl from yesterday's video who was turning around? I never thought I would be her. I'm in a nice warm car. Okay, I bought this raincoat and a pair of wool socks, and I'm in dry clothes again. I feel 1,000 times better, and I'm gonna go to the bus stop to make sure I get on the right bus to Roncesvalles. Backpack was under my poncho right there, and it got wet because of the rain got under it. Everything I own is wet. I'm hoping Roncesvalles has a dryer. All right, grazie.
You have a local?
Oh, a locker. So we've hung out everything we possibly can to dry. That's very damp. The fanny pack's very damp. My hat, don't even get me going on that. Everybody's taken up this real estate because it's raining outside.